Welcome guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use English sentences. First sentence. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଭାଗ୍ୟବାନ ଯେ ତୁମ ଭଳି ଜଣେ ଲୋକକୁ ପାଇଛି. I'm so lucky that I've got such a person like you. I'm so lucky that I've got such a person like you. ସେ ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି ଏବେ. She is very busy now. She is very busy now. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯିବାକୁ କୁହ. Say to him to leave. Say to him to leave. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇଶାରାରେ କୁହ. Say to him by gesturing. Say to him by gesturing. ଚାଲ ଏଠୁ ଯିବା. Let's go from here. Let's go from here. ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ବେଶୀ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଅନି. Don't pay much attention to him. Don't pay much attention to him. ମୋ ସହିତ ଶତ୍ରୁତା ତୁମକୁ ମହଙ୍ଗା ପଡ଼ିବ. Enmity with me will cost you. Enmity with me will cost you. ମୋ ସହିତ ପଙ୍ଗା ନିଅନି. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. ତୁମ କାମ ଶେଷ କର. Finish your work. Finish your work. ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଯାଅ. Go at once. Go at once. କାଲି ସକାଳୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଉଠିଯାଅ. Wake up early in the morning tomorrow. Wake up early in the morning tomorrow. ତୁମର ପାଠପଢ଼ା କେମିତି ଚାଲିଛି? How is your study going on? How is your study going on? ତୁମର କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଉଛି କି? Do you have any difficulty? Do you have any difficulty? ବେଶୀ ନିରୀହ ହୁଅନି. Don't be so innocent. Don't be so innocent. ମୁଁ କିଛି ନିଶା ଖାଏନି. I don't take any drug. I don't take any drug. କାହାକୁ ବଦନାମ କରନି. Don't defame anyone. Don't defame anyone. ଏହା ଖରାପ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ. It's bad habit. It's bad habit. ତୁମେ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜାଣିନ. You don't know anything about me. You don't know anything about me. ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଖରାପ କଥା କୁହନି. Don't speak ill of him. Don't speak ill of him. ତାଙ୍କ ଅସହାୟତାର ଫାଇଦା ନିଅନି. Don't take advantage of her helplessness. Don't take advantage of her helplessness. ତୁମର କ'ଣ ମନେ ନାହିଁ? Don't you remember? Don't you remember? କେମିତି ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ପାରିବି? How can I forget? How can I forget? ଆଜି ତୁମର ଜନ୍ମଦିନ. It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. ତୁମକୁ ତୁମ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି ଡାକିବା ଉଚିତ. You should call your friends too. You should call your friends too. ମୋତେ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ରୋଷେଇ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. I have to cook food for all of us. I have to cook food for all of us. ଆଲିସାକୁ ଡାକିବାକୁ ଭୁଲିବନି. Don't forget to call Alisa. Don't forget to call Alisa. ମୋତେ ଖାଦ୍ୟର ଭଲ ବାସ୍ନା ହେଉଛି. I'm getting good smell of food. I'm getting good smell of food. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ରାନ୍ଧିଛ? What have you cooked? What have you cooked? ମୋତେ କ୍ଷୀରି ଭଲ ଲାଗେ. I love rice pudding. I love rice pudding. ତୁମେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କ୍ଷୀରି ନେଇପାର. You can take little more pudding. You can take little more pudding. जीभ बाहर को बाहर करो। टेक योर टंग आउट। टेक योर टंग आउट। तुमर आउ टिके आवश्यक कि? डू यू नीड मोर? डू यू नीड मोर? एठी किसी गंध हेउची बा एठी किसी खराब बासा हेउची। There is something stinking here. There is something stinking here. नाक बंद करो बा नाक धरो। Hold your nose. Hold your nose. यह करिबा भूल। It's wrong to do. It's wrong to do. चलो गोटे खेल खेलिबा। Let's play a game. Let's play a game. मो आखिरे पट्टी बांधी दियो। आखिरे पट्टी बांधिबा को ब्लाइंड फोल्ड बोली कहा जाए। ब्लाइंड फोल्ड मी। ब्लाइंड फोल्ड मी। समस्ते जनक पर जणे सेठाकू जिबे। Everyone will go there one by one. Everyone will go there one by one. मु टिके मजाक करूथली। मजाक करबा कथा को आम एमती भी कहि परिबा। आई वाज जस्ट पुलिंग योर लेग। आई वाज जस्ट पुलिंग योर लेग। तुम्हें बहुत बेमार थिला पर लागुछ। यू सीम टू बी वेरी सिक। यू सीम टू बी वेरी सिक। तुम्हारा ग्लूकोज पीवा उचित। यू शुड ड्रिंक ग्लूकोज। यू शुड ड्रिंक ग्लूकोज। ग्लूकोज तुमको शक्ति देव। ग्लूकोज विल गिव यू एनर्जी। ग्लूकोज विल गिव यू एनर्जी। तुमको भल लागिबो। यू विल फील बेटर। यू विल फील बेटर। चलो डाक्तर खाने जीवा। लेट्स गो टू हॉस्पिटल। लेट्स गो टू हॉस्पिटल। विलंब करनी। डोंट डिले। डोंट डिले। यही किसी औषध। हियर आर सम मेडिसिन्स। हियर आर सम मेडिसिन्स। यह पिता लगे। दिस आर बिटर टू टेस्ट। दिस आर बिटर टू टेस्ट। यह को खाइबा तुमर बाध्य। इट्स योर कंपल्सन टू ईट इट। It's your compulsion to eat it. यह को खाइबा तुम्हारा बाध्य। से कथा में एमती भी कहि परिबा। You are under compulsion to have this. You are under compulsion to have this. एठी eat जगह में have को यूज करछे। जदि तुमे याकू न खाइबो ताहले भलो केमती हेबो। If you don't eat it, so how will you be fine? If you don't eat it, so how will you be fine? तुम्हारा बेसी पानी पीवा उचित। यू शुड ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर। यू शुड ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर। तुम्हारा शरीर में पानी अभाव अच्छी। पानी अभाव को आम इंग्लिश रे डिहाइड्रेट बोली कहू। सो एठी एमती कहबा यू आर डिहाइड्रेटेड। यू आर डिहाइड्रेटेड। तुमे जने बोका की? आर यू अ मोरन? आर यू अ मोरन? तुम्हें कहीं की बुझनो? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? मोर यह भाग्य रे थिला। It was in my luck. It was in my luck. फुसफुस करनी। Don't whisper. Don't whisper. मु यही भली लोक को पसंद करेनी। I don't like such people. I don't like such people. यह जेमती अच्छी सेमती रहबा को दियो। Let it remain as it is. Let it remain as it is. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll find this video very helpful. So please like the video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you and take care. Bye.